Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Look at that. We're on day 11 of 12 days of foundation hunt. I feel like a lot of you have already guessed what the 12th day is going to be. If you haven't yet, I'm telling you, like, it's kind of obvious what the last foundation is going to be, but we're not there yet, so we're not going to focus on that, okay? We're going to focus on today's foundation. If you guys want to know about it, then let's go. So this is the Ordinary Full Coverage Foundation, High Coverage Foundation. It's got the word coverage on it literally 4 or 5 times. This retails for $6.90. Comes in 21 shades. I got it in the shade 3.2N. Y'all know I just go with like the deepest neutral shade that some of these things have. I have tried their serum version of this, and I think I also used 3.2 in that foundation as well, so we'll see how that goes. Did I say how much you get with this? You get 1 fluid ounce. Now, what do they say about this? Coverage foundation from The Ordinary offers a smooth finish that avoids the heavy makeup look that can make skin appear more aged. Pigments are suspended in the spreadability system that allows pigments to look natural on the skin, resist collecting with fine lines, and stay on for longer. Benefits: evens the texture of skin complexion and texture with uniquely dispersed pigments that resist caking and setting in fine lines. pH 6 to 7.50. Cruelty-free and vegan. Does not, what does that say? Does not contain alcohol, gluten, nuts, oil, parabens, or sulfates. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks just like the serum version, like same packaging, stuff like that. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I usually shake all foundations before I try them on. And let's see what the shade looks like. I'm assuming this is gonna be like the serum foundation with just a little more covered, but later on when I come back, I'll read the description of the serum to see if the descriptions do sound like things that are similar. I'm gonna blend this out. So this is what it looks like, just foundation on my face. Y'all let me know, but I feel like I could stop here if I wanted to and just go about my business for the day. She gave me a real nice, like, evened out look, but of course, like, I'm gonna put like concealer, powder, all that stuff on my face. But okay, I might already see a purpose for this foundation. So this is my face for the day, but you know what time it is? It's time for a giveaway. Okay, today's giveaway question is, what is your favorite color? You see how easy your girl makes it for you? Mostly because, like, I just don't want to sit here thinking of questions. Just let me know what your favorite color is down below. And then, of course, a handle, Instagram, email, Twitter, something like that. So it is 11:38. I'm gonna go about my day, check in, and then see you all later back here tonight so I can tell you my thoughts on this foundation. So it is 4:13 and this is what my face is looking like. Let's take a look at it, because even when I flip the camera over so I could see my face, wait a minute. Okay, The Ordinary. Let's take a look at it. Again, y'all know, like, this is just the light reflecting off the side of my face. But there's something I can tell you guys when I do the, like, final wrap up at the end of the day, because, like, we were so close with this foundation, and it'll make sense once I explain it. But I mean, for right now, like, we can just look at it, because oh, okay. So I am back. It is 6:21. This is my face is looking like. Listen, I was ready to come back and give The Ordinary its props on this one, okay? Because look at my face hours later, and this thing didn't say anything else. I don't remember about, you know, oil control or shine free or matte. Maybe it said something about shine free, but it doesn't really claim, like, nothing about it really screams this is gonna keep you matte and oil free throughout the day. So for me to come back and this is what it's looking like, listen, I was impressed. Okay, I was ready to come back and say, you know, it took day 11, but we got there, and it's $6.90. What? But we can't have nice things around here, right? So throughout the day, I was leaning up against something. I looked down. When I tell you, half my face was on, like, the transfer off this foundation, you would think it's like a snake shedding its skin, with the way this thing was shedding off of my face, just leaning up against things. I'm gonna blot what oil I do have on my face so you'll, like, see it transfer onto that. But it was like, we can't have nice things around here, because we were so close to me coming back saying, listen, this is $6. Okay, it's got oil control, The finish of it, like when you first apply it, is nice on the face, and I could come back and say it's long wearing, but of course, here we are at me saying this thing transfers. Okay, but let me see what it says in the description. Then overall, coverage foundation from The Ordinary offers a smooth finish that avoids the heavy makeup look that can make skin appear more aged. Pigment, like, come on, thank you. Pigments are suspended to allow pigment to look natural on the skin. Resist collecting within fine lines. Like, the description doesn't say much at all. Like, it doesn't say much at all about this, you know, coverage, finish for skin types. This pretty much just says it's not gonna look cakey on you and it's not gonna get into fine lines. So it doesn't really say much at all. So for this to be how it wore throughout the day, I was impressed for a good minute. But I'm gonna go ahead, take some of this off my face. So this is what my face looks like blotted, but I feel like this is still a lot of product that's on here now for something that's already been coming off my face throughout the day. So that would be the main thing for me to say take away from this video, that there's transfer with this product. So when you're, you know, putting your face on, like go with the hard setting sprays, you know, the ones that are like gonna lock stuff in, the primers that are gonna lock stuff in, all that stuff, right? Because, you know, once you start like hugging people, although look, you shouldn't be hugging people right now anyway, okay? But when we can come back into contact with people, you don't want to be, you know, like hugging someone at their wedding and like half your face is on her dress. You're gonna be the family member that they talk about for the next 20 years, right? So just keep that in mind. But other than that, I feel like this is buildable. I feel like the coverage is medium, but closer to full, because I feel like the serum foundation that I have done a foundation on before is the one that would be like medium to sheer coverage. I feel like that's the main difference between these two. Also, I don't think that one did that well as far as oil control for my skin type, but it's a serum foundation. You guys saw what happened when I used the serum-ish type product earlier this week. So that's probably the main differences between those two. So medium, but closer to full, like you can coverage foundation, you can get more coverage out of this one. Finish, I would say, is a pretty natural finish. You know, like the only thing they talked about in the description, it is probably giving you like closer to skin natural finish. Skin types, listen, I think any skin type could pull this off, because oily skin, look at my face hours later, okay? Listen, okay. So yeah, I feel like this is one of the ones that I tried this week that I threw in because, again, like I was looking for foundations to throw in, but one of the ones I came like pleasantly surprised from after trying it. Like, okay, and it's $6. The Ordinary is an affordable brand as well. They're mostly known for their skincare products, which I haven't really like dabbled in. I know other people like swear by their skincare products, but I don't know, I was never really that tempted to jumping in it, because I feel like I also see mixed signals on their skincare products. And then I tried the foundation. I didn't really care for that, the serum one, so then I just kind of like shied away from the brand altogether. But listen, I'm sitting here like, okay, I give credit where credit is due, and I feel like you got to give this one credit because look at it on my face. So that is it for this video. I will insert a flash test right here. I can't believe 12 days have pretty much gone by as quickly as they have, but there is only 1 day left. So I hope seeing me test out this foundation has helped. If any are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.